So we have a similar problem again, similar to 3.6. But here, what they're saying is if A plus B equals C, where A, B, C are different operators, then A is equal to C minus B. So we need to prove that. And in general, when we're working with operators, in order to prove these things, it's the first step to do is to operate them on an arbitrary function, f or g or whatever it is, and see where that leads us to. That is step number one in trying to prove anything about these operators. So let's just operate it on an arbitrary function f. And that gives us this, right? At this point, all of these values are just functions. They're not operators anymore because an operator operating on a function results in a new function. So these are all functions. So we can simply so because we're dealing with functions, we can simply subtract this function on both sides of the equation. And that would mean and by deleting f of x on both sides, we would actually get this.